Hello Biafrans and lovers of freedom across the globe. Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV, your uncompromising voice for truth, justice, and liberation. This marks a pivotal moment in the global stance against both the Nigeria Christian genocide and terror in West Africa.
I want to tell you that the agreement between the British and the Fulani has collapsed. And the only person that collapsed it is Trump. I want the world to understand this.
In conclusion, the Nigerian government under President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has been urged to act immediately. With considerable U.S. support, or perhaps direct intervention if Abuja fails, these steps cannot wait. First, more security in the Middle Belt. You know what that means? Decisive action to protect communities from relentless violence. Second, respond to the early warning mechanisms already in place and end impunity by all means. Justice must no longer be optional. Third, help the internally displaced persons. Not just with food and temporary relief, but by returning them to their abandoned homes and restoring dignity. And finally, end blasphemy laws. Declare Sharia law unconstitutional, abolish it in all states practicing it, and disband Hisbah once and for all. Nigeria stands at a crossroads. Either Tinubu's government takes these bold steps now, or America might just do it for them. The clock is ticking. Conclusion: Tinubu urged to act. Security, IDPs, and blasphemy laws. U.S. pressure looms.
I want to tell you that the agreement between the British and the Fulani has collapsed. And the only person that collapsed it is Trump. I want the world to understand this.
You've just heard a message that echoes the cries of the oppressed and the resolve of the free. At Biafra Battle Cry TV, we stand firm in amplifying voices that challenge tyranny and defend humanity. Stay vigilant, stay united, and never stop speaking truth to power. Until next time, keep the fire of freedom burning.